Another failed car, Cadillac BLS, which was produced from 2005 to 2009. They say it was the idea of Robert Lutz, the auto industry guru who had just moved from Chrysler to General Motors to become vice president of global development. It seemed like a good idea to use the capacities of the Swedish SAAB, which is constantly working at a loss, to produce some new model based on existing ones. For example, Cadillac, after all, he does not have a small car created specifically for Europe. And then SAAB will receive additional orders, and Cadillac a new model cheaply. But, apparently, by that time, Lutz clearly did not understand what the consumer really wants, and too little money was allocated for reworking the SAAB. As a result, the car looked like a Cadillac only from the outside. Inside it was still the same SAAB 9-3. The Europeans were perplexed why overpay for the inappropriate pathos of the American brand, when exactly the same, but much more intelligent in appearance, SAAB is available for less money. In general, this adventure ended on 7,356 cars.